Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to online classes. Now I, Ajay Kumar, your English teacher, is going to start new topic subject verb agreement. And I believe that you all have read about subject verb agreement in your previous class. So, do you recall some of your memories and can you solve this questions given below? Are the questions choose the correct verb to complete the sentences given below. The doctors as well as the nurses work hard day and night. What will be the answer? We'll have to choose. If I'll tell you the answer, you know, I think that will be quite easy for you. But I have given this. I think this question has been given in the assignment, so I won't tell you the answer. You'll have to look for the answer. I think while teaching you, it will be clear and you will understand it. Even you will solve these questions very easily. Now the next question is either the painting or the jewel box were or was the gift. Answer it fast in the comment box. Next question is the third girls along with their parents walks or work daily. So you should look for the answer, the correct answer. Now the next question is only one of the shops has new books. What will be the answer? Comment in the comment box. Write the answer in the comment box. She is one of those students who attend classes regularly, right? So these are the five questions you have to solve. Now the next one is here the verb must agree with the number and person of the subject in grammatically correct sentence. You'll have to look for the person of the subject and the verb which is agreeing with the number and person, right? And that should be grammatically correct. So do you recall what are the general principles of subject verb agreement? Yes, very correct. I know you are thinking that the singular subject will take singular verb and the plural subject will take plural verb. As you can see here, some of the examples is given below in the table. Why is the window open? The first example, as it is talking about single window, so it is taking singular verb, right? And open. Now we can see similarly when we are taking plural subject windows, here it is plural, here it was window singular and here windows plural, then it is taking plural verb, that is are. So this is what we have learnt about the general principles. A singular subject takes a singular verb, a plural subject takes a plural verb, right? As we can see the another example, again a packet of milk was spoilt, right? A packet of milk, that means it is talking about singular, one packet was spoiled. Now 3 packets of milk were spoiled. Here it was singular, a packet of milk. Here it is plural, 3 packet of milk. And here it is taking singular verb, that is was, and here it is taking plural verb, that is were. Now another example, swimming is a good exercise. Here we can see swimming and jogging are good exercise, right? So here there are 2 subjects and that's why it is taking are, right? Here it was only one, so it is taking is. So I hope you have understood and it will help you to solve all these 5 questions, right? This is what I was talking about. Now let us read more about some other things. In a sentence where a pronoun is the subject, as we have read previously in previous classes, what are the pronouns? The words which replaces subject are called pronoun, right? So it is saying in a sentence where a pronoun is the subject, then the verb must agree with the number and the person of the pronoun. What it is saying, I'm reading it slowly, you just understand it. In a sentence where a pronoun is the subject. Now suppose Ram is noun, and what will be the pronoun for him? Pronoun for Ram, that will be he. So it is talking about pronoun in a sentence where a pronoun is the subject. Then what happens next? The verb must agree with number and the person of the pronoun. So which verb will take place here? Whether it will take singular verb or plural verb, it will depend upon the number and the persons of the pronoun. According to that, the verb will take place. Now let's see. Agreement of person of the pronoun in the present tense. Agreement of person of the pronoun in the present tense. So it says that with the exception of verb be मतलब होना, right? The concord of verbs with persons follow the following general rules. Guys, I'll tell you very frankly that this topic is mostly dependent upon the rules. So what are the major things which you should understand? You have to remember the rules, and that will help you in writing correct grammatically sentences, right? So it says that with the exception of the verb be hona, the concord of verb with the persons follow the following general rules. And what are those rules? Let us read the rule. The rule A says the verb form with the pronouns. The verb form with the pronouns. जो वर्ब का फॉर्म होता है प्रोनाउन, कौन से प्रोनाउन के साथ? आई, वी, यू, दे इज द सेम. क्या है जनरल रूल? पहला रूल कहता है जो वर्ब का जो फॉर्म होता है आई, वी, यू एंड दे प्रोनाउंस के साथ में, वो क्या होता है? सेम होता है, एक जैसा होता है, उसमें कोई बदलाव, उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होता है. गॉट इट? The first rule says this. Now let us move for an examples. We can see here the first example: I, we, you, they. Either I have little money left, we have little money left, you have little money left, they have little money left. So we can see here either the pronoun I, we, you, they, इन चारों में से कोई सा भी प्रोनाउन रहता है तो उसके साथ में कौन सा वर्ब फॉर्म होता है? दैट इज हैव, राइट? सो इट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल ए. It satisfies the rule A, which says that the verb form with the pronoun I, we, you and they is the same. So now when you will see again anywhere in the question that the pronoun I, we, you and they are there in that sentence, then you can choose only one verb form. Okay? Now the next example is that I, we, you, they understand Russian very well. Here you can see like I is singular, it is a pronoun, but we here is the plural, but again it is a pronoun. So here it is a change, right? Suppose singular from plural, we have learned here, like singular noun takes singular verb and plural noun takes plural verb. So you might ask question, why here we and they are taking same as singular verb are taking? So the answer to this question is, it is the general rule, and according to that rule, they take the same verb form with all pronouns, either it is singular in person number or plural in person number, right? Now let us move ahead and we'll see the another example, another rule B. For the verb be, the form remains the same with the pronouns we, you and they, but it is different for I. This is rule number B. What the rule number B says, for the verb be, what is the difference? Can you see here what is the difference in rule A and rule B? It says the verb form with the pronoun I, we, you and they is same, but here it is saying for the verb be. जब verb be हो तो फिर उसके लिए जो उसका for the form remains the same with the pronouns. कौन कौन से pronouns के लिए उसका जो verb form होता है same होता है? That is we, you and they, but it is different for I. Example for, we can see here, we, you, they are very skilled at debating. I am quite skilled at debating too, right? So here when it comes about showing some different type of skills or something which you like you have inhabited in yourself, then the verb form changes for the plural and accordingly for the singular as well. Now the next rule is C. Rule C. The concord for all verbs remain the same with the pronouns he, she and it. Rule number 3 says that he, she and it pronouns के लिए verb form जो होता है क्या होता है? सेम ही होता है, वो बदलता नहीं है. Now we can see here in example, he, she is taking is, that is singular verb, very tired, and says he, she, it does not want to, and says he, she does not want any dinner, right? Another example we can see, my dog is very well behaved. My dog is very well behaved, singular subject, that's why it is taking singular verb. It does not bark at my acquaintances. Acquaintances मतलब जो जान पहचान के जो लोग आते हैं, परिचित लोग जो आते हैं उनको acquaintances बोलते हैं. तो कहता है उनके ऊपर वो नहीं भूखता है, राइट? नाउ dear student, we will learn more about the agreement of person of the pronoun in the past and future tense in next classes, and I'll provide you the supplementary question to the taught topic as assignment work in the online classes. So till then, bye, take care and have a nice day. Thank you. We'll meet next day. Thank you.